This video does not have a formal introduction. It is probably one of the more chaotic videos of mine, but basically I ordered these clip-ins so that I could do this hairstyle, the one that I showed in my wedding guest video, and I just decided to get them from Better Length Hair, and it's like the blowout style because I wanted it to match my blowout, and then I wanted to do like a perm rod set or whatever on it. So that's what this is. Okay, back to the video. You only need one pack. This is monstrous. This is so much hair. I guess I just don't know if that's close enough, but it'll have to work. I mean, I think texture-wise it's close, but color-wise it's not, so I definitely have to blend the bottom. But like, it's pretty close. I can do this. At first, I didn't think they matched, but if I do this, I can't really tell that much, you know? Flexi rods, perm rods, can't decide. That, so hoping all of this will accomplish what I'm looking for. Okay, we need to part and put it into place first. Thing. I don't think this works. Okay. I have honestly no clue what to do. So I think I'm just gonna like do this here. I feel so stupid because I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. Let me put some oil through it first. Maybe that helps. Maybe I put oil through like the ends because it's very dry. Okay, so I'm leaving about this much leave out. I'm gonna watch that to see if it's good. Okay, so I'm gonna unclip. Oh God, that was a snap. Ooh. Let me swap. Looks like I need even smaller. So this one is 3. Definitely thought my head was gigantic till now. I guess this little corner right here. And then this one's like hitting toward the center. And this one's toward the outer. Huh. Oh, okay. Is that doing it? So I have so much hair left, and I think I used one of the longest ones, and I haven't used any of the medium ones, and I'm not even done. I don't know how to feel about this. This is also because of my like color treatment in it, you can sort of see where my hair ends, but it does have a little bit of that color in it, so maybe it's not going to be as noticeable. See, you can like see my hair right here. You can see it, which is why I'm doing perm rod set. I don't know, let's I'm just gonna leave. I'm gonna do the rest of it, and hopefully it looks like something. This is where we landed. I look insane. This is the thickest. This is either going to be awesome or it's going to look like crap. So I still have to wax, tan, do my nails. So that's the order. So like here's the wax here. Using this since 2020 when I started doing it myself. Jackie Ina recommended this tan. I'm hoping it's not too dark for me. We will see. This is the one I used before. I felt like it was a bit green, so hopefully the purple one is better. And since I'm tanning tonight, these are like the sheets we normally sleep on. I just got a gray sheet and just an extra blanket that we don't care about getting dirty. This is the before. I'm not with Metro no more. I'm with AT&T. Okay, so moisturizing with CeraVe moisturizing cream. It's a very like dry moisturizer versus like a oily wet one. And then the healing ointment is for dark areas like elbows and knees, stuff like that. Oh my god. That looks like black lung.
Say, Shane. I hit one more time. I heard keep calling his name. It's really getting on my nerves.
Century. It has been the home to kings, emperors, and presidents. And it was also the 10th pit stop in a race around the world.
This leg, we're just focused on making it to the final three.
The most wins and have made probably the best decisions, I feel like, and got ourselves here. So I think we really just need to focus on ourselves and keep playing our game.
1,000 miles racing around the world, Megan and Shane.
Good for them. So I finished. Honestly, stop it. Focus on my nails. So I finished. It's not my favorite thing in the world. I definitely would have rather gone to get my nails done, but I have no money. So this is where we are. This is where we ended up. I guess some pieces I used more than others, and those are like glued together. I mean, it's not terrible so far. Yep, they're still secure. know. I mean, I think this is blending. Okay, I think I did good. Wow. And I don't have super like thick hair. Like it's thick, but it doesn't appear thick. It gets really straight. I don't know, what do you guys think? Is it blending well enough? Big oof. Gotta take all of these out because I put the extension too high. Yay. Okay, so last time you saw me, I had more hair than this. I have had the craziest day. My job has been absolutely insane. And then I had a dentist appointment scheduled, and then like there's just so much going on today that I haven't been able to take a rest. And so I have to basically work after I get packed and everything. I'm literally working for the rest of the night because it was so crazy, I didn't get enough done, and I don't want to work throughout the weekend versus just like finishing it, you know? And so I still have to shave my face. That's important. I'm about to head out and go get my toes done. I'm probably just going to match my nails. So although I'm not going to do the little gold that you see there, but I'm just going to match the like pinky glossy look. I'm going to ask them to do like a base shade and then go over it with the pinky gloss so that it sort of mimics this. So yeah, going to get my toes done, have to shave my face, then I have to pack. This is probably the craziest week I've had in a very, very, very long time. Just life in general is just a lot going on. Okay, let's go get my toes done. Oh my gosh. Oh, also, I have been downing vitamin C and frickin' immune support. Why do you ask? Because my allergies decided to act up right before I leave. Isn't that fantastic? Okay, I'm back with still no hair in my head. I'm going to shave my face. Gotten so many little cutie things to use. This is a reusable face mask. These are little wrist things that keep water off your arms. I should probably exfoliate. Sucks. I'm gonna have to use some of this oil on my face. Line up my eyebrow. That's on my hair, on my face. Micellar water to get the oil off of my face. Hair is still coming off. Small head, I didn't read this before. Size chart, small head, little frog. You're short, hats are usually big on you. You feel like you have a small face. For big head, alien icon. You're taller, you have prominent jaw, you feel like you have a big head. Okay. And I put on my skincare. I think it's fine. Wow, this is intensely weird. It's like suctioned to my face. Weird. This is so weird. So I thought that I could fit everything in there. I don't know. I have a lot that I want to pack, like my steamer. Ugh. Let's see. My nose is literally dripping. Oh gosh. Raw, unfiltered. I'm so tired of sneezing. Like the Lorax mustache. Let's not break my nails. Okay. Okay, so all of this that I packed, I have to move to my bigger suitcase, my blue suitcase. This is the dress for the rehearsal dinner. This is the bra for the dress I'm wearing for the wedding. All of my undergarments. Here are all the accessories. So the bag for the rehearsal dinner, the bag for the wedding day. I have a lot of like shimmers because I want to be glowy. SPF as well, some hairspray. Let me see, what is this? Yeah, so I learned that for self-tan, a moisturizing like hyaluronic acid is better than an oil. So, and I already had this, so that was nice. And then I have shoes for the wedding day, and then my shoes for the rehearsal dinner. I did put like toe pads. I customized them. I just like cut them up so that it could help me walk. I will keep you posted. I don't know if this will actually work, but it felt a little bit better. And then I have jewelry in here. So then I have all the jewelry I'll be wearing in here. These are the flower earrings, and then all my rings under here. Some rose gold jewelry to go with the rehearsal dinner dress, bangle. So that's all of that. And yeah, I've got to pack the rest. My extensions. I don't know if I have more extensions in here. Oh, I do have more hair. Okay, well, that'll come in handy. A bunch of emergency because I've become an incubus of viral plague. I'm still trying to figure out what I'm going to wear there. I have no idea. Oopsie, this one. I don't think I've worn this one around his family. And it will match Brandon, so it's just the easiest option for me. Oh, I need to make sure that I pack my Spanx. We want to be smooth out here. These babies. But I also want to pack the like not as tight ones just in case. So the dress perfectly fits and everything. Disposable sheets. Yeah, it looks good. Okay, I have to take a very speedy shower. Okay, so I'm gonna go fast. The dress fit perfectly in here. Yeah, I just need to shower. I'm even taking my disposable sheets. We have all the body stuff that I need. I have makeup, I have my skincare, shower care stuff. I have undergarments, Spanx, socks, underwear, all of that. Something to sleep in, something to come back in. Yeah, and whatever shoes I wear. Oh yeah, we need this because it's helping my nose. So I'll just take that by itself with the makeup. Okay, well, thank you so much for watching. I'm really happy that you joined me. I will see you I'll see you in a bit, okay? We're going to Chicago. It's gonna be so fun. I'm gonna vlog a little bit, maybe do a get ready with me, so stay tuned for that. And if you haven't seen my what to wear as a wedding guest video, I'm gonna put it right here. And yeah, just watch the whole series. Okay, see you guys in Chicago. Bye. Oh, like if you like, subscribe if you wanna.